What happens to your body when you sunburn your skin? The answer goes far beyond redness. Discover the hidden biological battle your skin fights every time you get burned. When UV rays from the sun penetrate your skin, they cause direct damage to the DNA inside your cells. This triggers an inflammatory response as your body tries to protect and repair the damage. Blood vessels dilate, which causes the redness and warmth you see. This inflammation is your body's first defense against further injury, but it also leads to that painful, tight feeling you recognize as sunburn. Inside your skin cells, UV exposure disrupts DNA, increasing the risk of mutations. Your body activates repair enzymes to fix this damage. However, when the damage overwhelms repair mechanisms, the affected cells die, leading to peeling skin days later. This peeling is your body's way of removing the damaged cells and replacing them with fresh, healthy ones. Your immune system ramps up to manage the damage. White blood cells rush to the sunburn site to clear dead cells and fight potential infections. This immune response also causes swelling and tenderness. While it helps heal, it sometimes leads to longer-lasting skin sensitivity and increases the risk of future damage. Each sunburn leaves a lasting mark on your skin's DNA. Over time, repeated damage accumulates, increasing the risk of skin cancers like melanoma. Sunburn also accelerates skin aging, causing wrinkles and loss of elasticity. Protecting your skin from UV rays is essential to avoid these long-term dangers. Sunburn is more than just painful redness. It's a complex reaction where your body fights damage, tries to repair itself, and warns you of future risks. Protecting your skin means protecting your health. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.